MooMooMath in Science, where we upload a new math or science video every day. In this video, I'd like to talk about some conversion problem solving. And in these, you will be comparing if it's less than, greater than, or equal. In order to do this, you need to convert one of the measurements so that you are comparing like units or the same units. Let's look at an example. Which is larger, 22 feet or 230 inches? And we know that there's 12 inches in a foot. So what we're going to do is we will go ahead and convert the feet into inches. So I'm going to set up a proportion, and I'm going to, let's see what's given. So I'm going to put feet over inches, okay, equals, and I'm going to set the other fraction up exactly the same, feet and inches. So make sure, if you'll notice, you have feet on top on both of these. And then I'm going to go ahead and work with what is provided. And I have 22 feet, and x will be what we're looking for. And then I know that 12 inches equal 1 feet, or 1 foot would be the correct term. So I have 12 there. I then complete a cross product, which is, if you can see this, 22 times 12. So we have 22 times 12, and that is equal to 264. So we have 264 equals 1 times x, which is x, and this will be in inches. Okay? So now after the cross product, I know that 22 feet is 264 inches. Now all we have to do is compare. So we have 264 is greater than 230 inches. Okay? So that's what we have. Okay? Notice that we converted it into like terms. Okay? Now let's look at another one. We want to know which is larger, 14 grams or 1,410 milligrams. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put grams over milligrams, and I'll just write mg for that, equals, and I'm going to put grams over milligrams again. I'm going to fill in what I know, and I know that 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams, okay, and then that's going to equal, I have 14 grams. So I'm going to put 14 grams, and these equal, and I want to solve for x. Okay, so the x is I'm trying to find the number of milligrams, so I put x on the bottom. I then do a cross product, so x is equal to 14,000 milligrams. Okay, so now again, what I did was I set up I put grams on the top, milligrams on the bottom, milligrams on the bottom, filled in what information I know. I know I had 14 grams. I'm looking for x, and then I put 1 gram is equal 1,000 milligrams. And so now I know that we have 14,000 is greater than 1,410 milligrams. Okay, so that is fairly easy. So 14 grams is greater than 1,410 milligrams. Okay, and finally, our last one is this. Daniel drank 16 cups of Coca-Cola over the weekend. Stephen drank 140 fluid ounces of Coke. Who drank more? How much? 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. So 8 ounces. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we need to convert the cups to ounces. Okay? So I'm going to put cup over ounces. And then I'm going to fill in what we have. We know that we have 16 cups, and we need to know how many ounces because we're trying to get into like terms. And we know that 1 cup again, we need to write the same terms on the other side. Cup over ounces. It's a little messy. So, and we know that 1 cup is equal to 8 ounces. We then complete a cross product, and that is 16 times 8, and 16 times 8 is 128, is equal to X. So 16 cups is equal to 128 ounces. Now what we do is Stephen drank 140, so he obviously drank more, so Stephen drank more. And we take 140 minus 128, and so he drank a combined total of 128, 140, that would be 2, that would be 12 more ounces, fluid ounces. Okay, hope that helps in setting up conversion problem solving. Remember, convert it to like terms by setting up a proportion that is the same way, and then from there you can just compare the new numbers. Thanks for watching. MooMooMath uploads a new math or science video every day.